Hello everyone! This is the first part of the video tutorial how to crochet a high neck sleeveless top. In this video, I'll show you how to work the first 4 rows of the pattern. Complete details about the project are available at interunit.com/crochet high neck sleeveless top. On this webpage you may share pictures of your work and ask questions if any. Begin crocheting from the bottom to top. Make a foundation chain of 180 chains or multiples of 18 chains, then join it into a ring with a slip stitch. First round, chain 2 to pick up the height, then work single crochets to end. At the end of the first round, work one slip stitch under the first 2 chains. Second round, chain 3 to pick up the height, then work double crochet 7. After the double crochet 7, skip 2 and work 1 triple crochet. Now chain 1, skip 1 back, and then work again triple crochet. Now chain 1, skip 1 and work single crochet 1. Now work as a mirror reflection, chain 1, skip 3, triple crochet 1, and again chain 1, skip 1 back, triple crochet 1, and then work double crochet 9. After the double crochet 9, cross triple crochets again. Skip 2, triple crochet 1, chain 1, skip 1, back, triple crochet 1, chain 1, skip 1, single crochet 1, chain 1, and then again cross triple crochets. At the end of the second round, after you cross the triple crochets last time, work one more double crochet, and then slip stitch under the first 3 chains. Third round, chain 2 to pick up the height, then work single crochets above double crochets and above triple crochets. After the single crochet 10, chain 3, skip 3, and then work single crochet 15, and again chain 3, skip 3, and so on. Finish the third round like your first round. Work slip stitch 1 under the 2 chains. Then repeat the pattern starting from the second round. Again, chain 3 to pick up the height, double crochet 7, and so on. After the double crochet 7, cross triple crochets again. Skip 2, triple crochet 1, chain 1, skip 1, back, triple crochet 1, chain 1, skip 1, single crochet 1, chain 1, skip 3, triple crochet 1, skip 1, back, triple crochet 1, and then again work double crochet 9, and so on. In the following video tutorials, I'll show you how to work front and back parts and finish up the project.